Hey everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. We are putting pink braids into Bailey's hair. I found this technique really easy. Let me know in the comments if you do too. This is the hair that I use, jumbo braid from Amazon or TikTok shop or eBay, and a topsy tail. And that's it, let's get going. Starting off by gently placing this topsy tail through the braids, grabbing hold of a piece of hair, and I've just kind of used short hair for this. I haven't used like really long extensions, and I'm just going to pull it through, and I'm going to take the other end of it and pull it through again. So they're both through there like that. So I'm going to go again. So taking another piece slightly thicker, holding on to one end, pulling through, going back through again. So all the hair's ending up on this side nearest to the face, and we're just going to go all the way down the head doing the same technique. Right, I'm going to speak. So we are going to the top of this braid, and we're going to take the first section of hair, and I'm going to borrow a little bit from one side and a little bit from the other side. So I've made myself now 3 sections of hair. I'm going to Dutch braid. So I'm going to take outside section under the middle, outside section under the middle, reaching down for the next piece of hair. I am just going to break that in 2, I think, so it's not too chunky. So again, under the middle, add in a little piece of hair, under the middle, and you're just going to keep working that in. So I'm after quite a tight, neat braid here, guys. So under the middle like that, trying to make sure that this hair doesn't get tangled along the way, although it probably will because it's super annoying. Keeping on adding in these sections. You can see it's sitting right underneath. That's why I want to keep it nice and tight, because I did the other braid nice and tight as well, so it kind of like mirrors it. And then if I've got a bit of a gap where there's no hair, don't worry, just do a few stitches without adding in hair. So I've just done a few stitches there, and then I'm going to go back to adding in hair. Magic of editing, guys. Look at the little colour pop, super cute. And the other side. Let me know what you think in the comments. See you again soon.